Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Last, we dive deep into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. A world of all sunshine and rainbows, right? Yes, it's changing the game in pretty much every industry you can think of. But with great power comes, well, you know the rest. We're gonna break down the big question: is AI going to be our new best friend or turn into, and take over the world? Curious about the dark side of AI? Wondering how we can navigate the ethical minefield and ensure AI that benefits everyone? Let's explore. Alright, so first things first, let's talk about why everyone's so hyped about AI. This stuff is already making our lives easier and more efficient in a bunch of ways. Let's discuss how. Efficiency. AI can process information and make decisions faster than humans. Accuracy. AI systems reduce human error in tasks like medical diagnosis and financial forecasting. Automation. AI can handle repetitive and mundane tasks, freeing up humans for more creative work. Think about it. Algorithms sorting through massive amounts of data to give you personalized recommendations. Automation taking over repetitive tasks, and AI-powered tools helping doctors diagnose diseases earlier. It's pretty mind-blowing stuff. But of course, there's always another side to the coin, right? Let's see. Job displacement. Many fear AI will replace jobs, especially in sectors like manufacturing and customer service. Bias. AI systems can inherit biases from their training data, leading to unfair outcomes. Privacy concerns. The extensive data collection required for AI raises significant privacy issues. Not so great? Hey, everything has potential downsides. And yeah, job displacement is a big one. As AI gets smarter, it's inevitable that some jobs will become automated. It's like that saying, adapt or die, right? But hopefully, it'll also create new opportunities. We're already seeing a rise in demand for AI specialists, data scientists, and all sorts of tech-related roles. Then there's the whole ethical debate around AI. As Elon Musk said, AI is a fundamental risk to the existence of human civilization. It's crucial to address these concerns responsibly. But how do we make sure it's used responsibly? How do we prevent bias from creeping into algorithms? And what about the potential for AI to be used for malicious purposes, like creating deep fakes that are practically indistinguishable from reality? These are questions we need to grapple with sooner rather than later. And let's not forget about the fear factor. I mean, Hollywood has had a field day with AI gone rogue, right? From Terminator to Ex Machina, there's no shortage of dystopian scenarios out there. But hey, maybe that's just our fear of the unknown talking. Okay, let's address the elephant in the room, the whole robots are coming for our jobs thing. Now, I'm not gonna lie, some jobs are definitely more vulnerable than others. Repetitive tasks, data entry, even some aspects of customer service, those are prime targets for automation. But here's the thing. AI is also creating new jobs. Jobs we probably haven't even thought of yet. As Dr. Andrew Ng, a leading AI expert, founder and CEO of Landing AI, adjunct professor at Stanford University, said, AI will transform many jobs rather than replace them outright. It's crucial to upskill and adapt to new roles that AI will create. For example, while some tasks in customer service may be automated, New jobs will emerge in AI maintenance and development. Think about it. Someone needs to design, build, and maintain all these AI systems. Someone needs to train the algorithms and make sure they're not, developing a taste for world domination. And as AI becomes more integrated into our lives, we'll need people who can bridge the gap between humans and machines. It's not really about humans versus robots. It's about humans and robots working together. Imagine a world where AI takes care of the tedious stuff, freeing us up to focus on tasks that require creativity, critical thinking, and human interaction. That's the kind of future I can get behind. But let's be real, this transition isn't going to be easy. There will be challenges, there will be disruptions, and people will need support to adapt to these changes. Education and retraining programs will be key. We need to equip people with the skills they need to thrive in an AI-powered world. Now, before you go full panic mode about losing your job to a robot, let's talk about how AI can actually make your current job better. Because here's the thing. AI isn't just about replacing humans, it's also about augmenting human capabilities. Imagine having an AI assistant that takes care of all your mundane tasks, like scheduling meetings, organizing your inbox, and even drafting emails. That frees up your time and mental energy to focus on the more strategic and creative aspects of your work. And it's not just about white-collar jobs either. AI is transforming industries like healthcare, manufacturing, and transportation. In healthcare, AI is helping doctors diagnose diseases earlier and develop more personalized treatment plans. In manufacturing, it's optimizing production processes and improving quality control. And in transportation, well, we're already seeing the rise of self-driving cars, which could revolutionize the way we get around. The key here is to embrace AI as a tool, a powerful tool that can help us work smarter, not harder. It's about finding ways to integrate AI into our workflows in a way that enhances our skills and makes us more productive. To integrate AI into your job, start by identifying repetitive tasks that can be automated. Embrace AI tools and continuous learning to stay relevant. As IBM's Ginny Rometty says, AI will augment our intelligence, not replace it. And who knows, maybe AI could even help you discover hidden talents or pursue new career paths you never thought possible. So instead of fearing the rise of the machines, let's focus on how we can leverage this technology to our advantage. Okay, now for the really juicy stuff. Can AI actually become self-aware? Can we expect to see robots walking among us, cracking jokes, and pondering the meaning of life? Will AI gain consciousness and overthrow humans? While it's a popular theme in movies, most experts, like Stuart Russell, believe it's a distant concern. We need to focus on controlling the technology we create, he says. Well, that's where things get a little more philosophical and, let's be honest, a little creepy. Right now, AI is really good at mimicking human intelligence, but it's not actually conscious. It doesn't have emotions, feelings, or subjective experiences. But who knows what the future holds? Technology is advancing at an exponential rate. We're talking about things like artificial neural networks that are designed to mimic the human brain. If AI does eventually achieve consciousness, it would have some pretty mind-blowing implications. Would AI have rights? Would it be considered a new form of life? And how would we interact with these sentient beings? It's like something straight out of a science fiction novel, but it's a question we might have to grapple with in the not-so-distant future. For now, though, I think we can rest assured that our robot overlords aren't going to rise up anytime soon. But hey, it never hurts to be prepared, right? Maybe brush up on your binary code just in case. So, we've talked about the potential benefits and drawbacks of AI, but here's the million-dollar question. How do we make sure this powerful technology is used for good? How do we prevent it from spiraling out of control and turning into, a real-life Terminator situation? Well, for starters, we need clear regulations and ethical guidelines. Yes, controlling AI involves creating robust ethical guidelines and regulations. The Partnership on AI, including companies like Google, Apple, and Amazon, is working on ensuring AI is used responsibly. Governments and organizations worldwide are collaborating to develop policies that ensure AI benefits society while mitigating risks. Transparency and accountability are key to building trust in AI systems. We need to establish boundaries for how AI can be developed and used, especially in sensitive areas like healthcare, finance, and criminal justice. We need to make sure AI is transparent and accountable, so we understand how it's making decisions and who's ultimately responsible. And then there's the whole issue of bias. AI algorithms are only as good as the data they're trained on. If the data is biased, the AI will be biased too. That's why it's so important to address issues of diversity and inclusion in the tech industry. We need diverse voices and perspectives to ensure that AI is developed and used fairly and equitably. Ultimately, controlling AI is not just about technical solutions. It's about human values. It's about making sure that AI reflects our shared values of fairness, justice, and compassion. It's about using this technology to create a better future for everyone, not just a select few. So yeah, it's a tall order, but it's a challenge we need to face head-on. The future of AI is up to us. Let's make sure we get it right. So, where does this leave us? What's the final verdict on AI? Well, like most things in life, it's complicated. AI has the potential to greatly benefit humanity and the environment in countless positive ways, from boosting productivity and efficiency to solving complex global challenges. It can revolutionize healthcare, enhance education, and even help combat climate change. For instance, AI-powered drones can monitor wildlife populations, and AI systems can optimize renewable energy use, reducing our carbon footprint. But it also comes with risks. We've got to be mindful of things like job displacement, ethical concerns, and the potential for misuse. It's like this powerful new tool that we're still figuring out how to use safely and responsibly. The key is to approach AI with a healthy dose of both optimism and caution. We need to embrace the potential benefits while being aware of the potential pitfalls. We need to have open and honest conversations about the ethical implications of AI and work together to ensure it's used for good. The future is uncertain, but one thing's for sure: AI is here to stay. As Stephen Hawking said, success in creating AI would be the biggest event in human history. Unfortunately, it might also be the last, unless we learn how to avoid the risks. And by harnessing AI's power responsibly, we can create a better future for all. It's already transforming our lives in profound ways. And that transformation is only going to accelerate in the coming years. The question is, what role will we play in shaping this AI-powered future? Let's make it a good one.